wouldn't be in the same position we are today. In terms of thanking the community for what they've done, personally I can't probably put it into words of how much assistance and how proud I am of people, of what they've achieved. The event tonight is organised, courtesy of Bradford Council. They've put in loads and loads of work, they've given the building, they've done loads of organisation. The Bradford West Area Committee have been behind everything that we've done. Police are involved, the fire brigade have been involved. In terms of the importance of putting back into the community, of letting people know how important it is. We can turn up on fireworks night and go, hi, will you come out and help us? Unless we put effort back in and turn around and say, right, actually guys, this is what we've achieved. This is the difference we've made to the residents of Bradford. This event is small in comparison to the efforts that people have put in, bringing it together, and it's a real testament to the people that are here. How many people have turned out tonight? How many people are here to have a little mini celebration and just a mini thank you? In addition to that, we're trying to build up the relationships from a neighbourhood policing perspective with local faith establishments and keep that relationship going throughout the year. And as much as I can do with resources, as much as I can do with my staff, we will do everything that we can to be in that fantastic position for next year that we've got everything in motion already.
Today's really important because what happened over Bonfire night was a fantastic piece of work where people came together from communities, hundreds of volunteers, from mosques, from businesses, with councillors, with police, with the fire service, with council services, a lot of Noreen's team, and they've come together to do a great piece of work. So today is really important because you've got to celebrate that. And people have got to recognise what they've done, and they've got to understand the contribution they've made working together. And also it leaves a legacy, it leaves a really fantastic legacy. So not only did they make a massive impact and have a really peaceful bonfire night across West Bradford and Bradford West area, the legacy is that you've got a lot of people there with relationships who want to work together in the future, and they really want to make things work for the places that they're from, which is really important, and they're so proud of what they've done, and we've got to celebrate that.
I think this event is so important to recognise the volunteers who helped us out on Bonfire night. It's so important to recognise the community because a lot of these people give their time free of charge. They don't get paid, and they've come out to protect the local community and also to engage with the local community. So it's so important that we recognise what the volunteers do in Bradford.